Hello students, welcome back. So today we are going ahead in a lesson second, the thief's story, and it is written by Ruskin Bond. Up to now we came to know about that there are two characters. One is Hari Singh, that is the fake name, and another is Anil. And Anil is a writer, and with writing he was earning his living. And on the other hand, there is a boy named Hari Singh, that is his fake name, and that person, that Anil, though he is 14 or 15 years old, he steal money from Anil Singh or Anil. So now he had left the house when Anil brought money in the house, and at night what happened? Hari Singh stole the money and ran away. But when he was on station, he thought that he did wrong, and he came back, and he was thinking that what should I do now? Should I go back or should not? So now in the next video, in this video, we will know more about क्या उसने पैसे वापस किए या नहीं किए, क्या हुआ, क्या वो ट्रांसफॉर्म हुआ, क्या वो अच्छा इंसान बना या नहीं बना, वो हम सब आगे इस वीडियो में देखेंगे. So the night was chilly. So now we came to know that Hari Singh had stolen the money from Anil, and now he was on the station. But when he was on station, he thought he made mistake, and now he was going back to Anil, and he was thinking that should I go to Anil or not? Let no more. So the night was chilly. It was early November, and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. A light drizzle. So what is the mean of light drizzle here? Light drizzle mean, yes, you mean to say, we can say this is a light rain, drizzling. Okay, हल्की सी बारिश. Okay, ने उसकी problems को और बढ़ा दिया. Soon it was raining quite heavily, and after this drizzling, what happened? There was a heavy rain. Yeah, so my shirt and pajama stuck to my skin. So when his clothes, his pajama and his shirt got wet, what happened? These are stuck. These are, yes, you pasted with his skin. And a cold wind blew the rain across my face, and now he was feeling cold. Yes, you, because he was wet now. His clothes were wet now, and now he was feeling cold. And next one, I went back to the bazaar. Then Hari Singh went back to bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. Okay, there was clock tower, and yes, there was a shelter near the clock tower. So he sat under the down the clock down. Yes, you under the shelter. The clock showed midnight, and the clock tower there was a clock, and in that clock there was 12. Mean midnight was there. In the clock it was shown that it is 12 o'clock, midnight is there. So I fell for the notes. Now he was thinking about the notes. They were damp from the rain, and the notes were very, yes, you got wet. And Anil's money, and these were the yes, this money, this property, these were the money's money. So Anil's money. So in the morning he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. So this time he was thinking, yes, and now Hari Singh was thinking that, yes, you, if I didn't steal the money from him, so he would give me some rupees, 2 or 3 rupees give to me from this money, and for cinemas. But now I had it all. But now I had this all money with me. I couldn't cook his meal, okay, and run to the bazaar to learn to write whole sentences anymore. So I could not cook his meal. So now Hari Singh was not going to cook his meal, and yes, he will run to the bazaar or learn to write whole sentences anymore. And I had forgotten about them in the excitement. So he had forgotten all the things in the excitement of the theft, because Anil was teaching him, Anil was telling him how to write the things, and now these things were not show more, because he has left Anil now, and Anil was alone now. He had steal the money from Anil. Now he was not going to Anil back. He was thinking, he was sitting there and he was thinking that Anil would not teach me now. Sure. And in this excitement, he forgot everything. He forgot all things. Whole sentences. I knew could one day bring me more than a new 100 rupees. So I knew one could one day bring me more than a few 100 rupees. So had stole the money from Anil. So what will be the reason? So this money is not so yes you resist for me, because when Anil was teaching me, Anil was learning me, yes you new sentences. So with these sentences I can earn much money. So it was a simple matter to steal. Okay, this is only the stealing thing, nothing else. And sometimes just as simple as to be caught. Okay, to be caught. And sometimes I can be caught there. Yes, you. But to be really big man, if I want to be a big man in reality, a clever man in reality, and respected man in reality was something else. So I have to do something else. So I should go back to Anil. So he was thinking that I should go to back Anil. I told myself, if only to learn to write and read and write. Sure, if you want to read and write, then you have to go back to Anil. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous. So now Hari Singh went back to Anil's room, and he was yes, you nervous there. For it much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. So it is the very easy thing to steal the money, but it is not easy thing to tell I have steal the money from you. So it is a difficult talk. It is a difficult thing. It is a difficult task. So I opened the door quietly. So Hari Singh opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway, and then he stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight, and that was a cloud in the moonlight. The sky was clouded. So Anil was still asleep, and Anil was still asleep. And yes, and I crept to the head of the bed. Yes, you, and he went to the head of the bed, and my hand came with the knots, and I put the knots under his head. I felt his breath on my hand when he was putting money. Yes, when he was putting money, he felt the breath on his head. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattresses. Okay, after that, his hand, yes, you raised on the mattresses, and he slipped under his with in the under it with the knots, and he put the knots under the mattresses. So I awoke late that next morning. So the next morning he got late. You see, he awoke late to find that, and he find that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me, and he stretched out his hand towards me. So Hari Anil was giving something to him, and there was a 50 rupee note between his fingers, and Anil had a 50 rupees note in his fingers. So my heart sank. So he was upset. He was disturbed. Yes, you. I thought I had been discovered, and he was thinking that कि मैं पकड़ा गया हूँ. I made some money yesterday. I made some money yesterday, he explained. So Anil was telling to Hari Singh कि मुझे कुछ कल पैसे मिले थे. Now you will be paid regularly. कि अब मैं तुम्हें हर रोज पैसे मतलब हर रोज मीन regularly तुम्हें पैसे दिया करूंगा. My spirit rose. So now who is my here? My is that boy Hari Singh. तो उसकी भावनाएं जागृत होती हैं. But when I took the note, when I took the 50 rupees note from Hari Singh from Anil, I saw it was still wet. So he felt that that nose was still wet. Okay, वो अभी भी गीला था from the night's rain, रात की बारिश से. Today we will start writing sentences, he said. And now Anil is saying to yes, now Anil is saying to Hari Singh, today we will start writing complete sentences. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. So Anil knew everything. He knew everything that he stole my money. He went outside and now he came back. Yes, he knew everything, but he didn't show any sign of the things. So I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any efforts. So now they got yes, you familiar with each other, and Anil became friend of Hari Singh, and Hari became friend of Anil. So they both became friends, and now Anil was teaching him, and now Hari Singh transformed into a good person. He became a good person. Now he was learning the thing, and Anil was teaching him. sentences and other things also. So this was our lesson, the thief's story. This story was Hari Singh, that was his fake name. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello students, welcome back. So today we are going ahead in a lesson second, the thief's story, and it is written by Ruskin Bond. Up to now we came to know about that there are two characters. One is Hari Singh, that is the fake name, and another is Anil. And Anil is a writer, and with writing he was earning his living. And on the other hand there is a boy named Hari Singh, that is his fake name, and that person, that Anil, though he is 14 or 15 years old, he steal money from Anil Singh or Anil. So now he had left the house when Anil brought money in the house, and at night what happened? Hari Singh stole the money and ran away. But when he was on station, he thought that he did wrong, and he came back, and he was thinking that what should I do now? Should I go back or should not? So now in the next video, in this video, we will know more about क्या उसने पैसे वापस किए या नहीं किए, क्या हुआ, क्या वो ट्रांसफॉर्म हुआ, क्या वो अच्छा इंसान बना या नहीं बना, वो हम सब आगे इस वीडियो में देखेंगे.